In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create references in a bibliography using the tools I have learned from Mendeley. So what you need to do first is, once you have Mendeley downloaded onto your desktop, you need to go to Tools and make sure you install MS Word plugin. That's very important to be able to create references in the bibliography in Word later. And then from there, you want to make sure you have PDFs or articles already set up in Mendeley. So if I go to this one, click the file, you can see my annotations and my notes already set up in it. So then from here, you need to go to Word, and then from Word, you need to go to References, and to insert a citation, you just click Insert Citation, then you click Go to Mendeley, and then whichever one you need to cite, you click on, and then you click the Cite right there, and it cites it for you. And then to be able to do another citation from a different source, you just click Insert Citation, go to Mendeley, click on the other source, and then click Cite right here again, and it cites it. And then to create the bibliography page, all you have to do is go back to References, and then Insert Bibliography. And right there is your bibliography all set up right there for one of the articles. And then to insert another one, you just need to go back and insert another bibliography, and you are set. And that's how you create a bibliography and a reference using Mendeley.